Hey guys, my name is Idrees and you are watching Dope Craft. So today in this video, we're gonna make a paper Minecraft Steve, the character from Minecraft whose name is Steve. So we're gonna make a paper model of it which is adjustable. The Steve's head and limbs can be moved around. So this is the template. Now what I am going to do is I'm gonna firstly cut this piece out and let's do it. I'll see you guys after cutting this. Alright guys, so now I'm done cutting all of the pieces out like this. This is how you cut it. You just leave all those corner pieces and you gotta take this whole piece out totally, as you can see. Now here are some more, and I'm gonna keep all of these aside and I'm gonna start from the head. So for the head you need a cutter, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna, as we can see here, a cross mark right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the cutter and put a cross on the cross. Yeah, put a cross on the cross so that it would, the mouth of this thing will open like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this thing inward like this so that you could put that. Yeah, I'll show you what you're gonna do with that one. So this is how you're gonna do, and you're gonna fold it from all these sides like this, and this is how it's gonna look. Alright, so now I'm gonna start folding this thing. So I'm gonna get this one, all the corners back inside, in place like this. Put it on the table. I'm gonna straighten this thing out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the scale right here. I'm having the scale and I'm gonna fold this corners with the help of the scale like this. We're gonna put the scale and then you're gonna make the creep like this, and you're gonna make the same creep to all the parts. Alright guys, so I'm done folding all of them. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the foot, the template of foot, and I'm gonna use glue, and I'm gonna just glue all the parts in of the leg. And I'll see you guys after gluing both legs, and I'll show you what to do next. So this is how you glue it. Firstly, you just open your glue bottle, then you place your glue right here like this. Put a small amount of glue, not much. Then you place glue right here. Then you put glue right here, and then right here. So now you're gonna start by sticking these two ends. Glue. I'm going to let the glue stick on it. Alright. So, firstly I'm gonna stick these two on. Right? These two on. Like this. I'm gonna push in this one and this one. Both at a time. Like this. Looks good. put it this, and then I'm gonna use a cotton swab to just stick it firmly. Okay. Yeah. Now one foot is finished. I'm gonna keep it aside. I'm done with the first leg. Now I'm gonna take the second leg right here. And then I'm gonna stick this one too. This time I'm putting glue right on this side. And I'm gonna just spread it all around. And then I'm gonna put glue on this one. So I'm gonna spread it. I'm gonna blow a little bit. I'm gonna fold it all back around like this. Fold this one a bit outward. This one gets stick, and then I'm gonna put this one, this, and this one also will stick. And then I'm gonna keep this one back down like this. Then I'm gonna use the cotton swab, and I'm gonna do all my work of sticking it. Now it's on it firmly. I'm gonna just do like this. For sticking that one on, we need to use these. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna just roll this thing around like this according to this one size. Okay. Or else I'm gonna use a pen to just roll it around it to just make a perfect circle like this. I'm gonna take it out, and then I can just make it smaller, as much smaller as I want, like this. Then I'm gonna see if it fits in properly. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some glue on it. Like this. Then I'm gonna turn it around, and then I'm gonna stick it like this. Boom. This is how it, here are the both legs. Now I'm gonna stick it in between like this. Okay? So I'm gonna use a different glue right here. I'm having mine. This glue dries faster. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one like this on it. And I'm gonna put it inside, and I'm gonna stick it on like this. I'm gonna blow it a little bit, and then I'm gonna keep this one aside. I'm gonna do the same for the other one. Alright guys, so here is the result. Look at that, how this thing looks. It is totally adjustable. Let me just show you. As you can see, it is totally adjustable. Let me just show you. I'm moving its head. Right here is the head. As you can see, it can stand. You can make it's like an action figure. Okay. This looks amazing. It works amazing. It works fine. I think this is the front side. Oh yeah. So this is how it looks. It looks amazing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.